Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make gnocchi in under 2 minutes. First, take your flour and dump on counter, then create a small circle. Once you have the small circle, put water inside of the circle. Begin to mix your flour until you begin to form a dough shape. Keep mixing until you've reached this shape. This is what it should look like after mixing. Then, you're going to want to put a little bit of flour on top of your dough. This is what it should look like. Then put a little bit of flour on your countertop to make it non-stick. So there, you can roll your dough. Once your dough is rolled into thin strips, begin to cut into small individual pieces. These are what they should look like when they're done and coat with flour to make non-stick. This they should look like. Boil your water, then adding a little bit of salt into your water. Begin to drop your gnocchis inside the water, then stir consistently. This is what they should look like when they are done. Make sure you get all gnocchis out of pot. Then once you're done, add any topping, cheese, or whatever you'd like to your gnocchis.